Hey guys, I've been meaning to share a video about how I stake up my tomato plants. I've been gardening for 20 years and I think this is the best, easiest way. You know, I don't want to obsess all summer about tying and trimming tomatoes, and dealing with that. So this is what we do. It's 2 pieces of rebar mesh or concrete mesh on either side of the plants, and we overlap them in the middle, and they're held up by these metal stakes driven into the ground. At the bottom, to keep them from kicking out, we have landscape staples, and that's how I watered. The roots have popped up my little, this is corrugated pipe, but it helps me water. Anyways, one great thing about it is these 6-inch gaps allow me to reach through and grab the tomatoes. Another cool thing is I can grab up at the top, shimmy it, and I'm basically pollinating, more than 15 feet of tomato trellis. But finger and leaf compost this year, which you were not supposed to do, but it worked out beautifully. I still have a ridiculous amount of tomatoes in here. I have canned over 100 quarts of tomatoes in this garden, and I still have way too many, and I'm out of jars. Anyways, I'll share everything I need. That's our chicken coop. Place it. That's that. But as you can see, I have not been grooming these plants very well, and I've had no problem with production. But that's that. Thanks, guys.